Hey there, home decor fans! Introducing this 3-piece wall art set from Skypop Designs, available on Amazon. This is one of my favorite 3-piece wall decor sets from Skypop Designs. It depicts beauty, grace, and color, all that embodies a beautiful black woman. I can see this piece being the perfect addition for a bedroom, kitchen, living room, even a home office. I'm planning to put this beautiful piece in my home office for those moments when I need just the right amount of inspiration. But let me show you some more of the other pieces that they have in this set. This unique 3-piece set makes a great conversation piece for the home. It also contains inspirational quotes such as this one. It's just the perfect thing to add to your apartment or home decor. It's just really beautiful. It empowers, inspires, motivates, and supports Black women. And that's one of the things that I love most about it. Imagine just being in your office and looking up and just seeing a beautiful quote like this one. She remembered who she was and the game changed. Come on, if that isn't inspiring, I don't know what is. These pieces are lightweight and easy to mount on any wall or surface. As you can see, there is a small hook at the back, and it also has a little groove here in case you need to hang. They're very lightweight and they measure 36 by 16 inches, the perfect size for many walls. These pieces from Skypop Designs are so thoughtfully created. For me, they represent beauty, grace, Black womanhood, pride, just everything that empowers and inspires us about Black women. I'm also appreciative of the fact that their pieces, they have a message behind it, and I'm loving it. A message that is inspiring and empowering, and they also look great in the home space. So I'm about to go and install these pieces in my home office so you guys can come along. And until next time, feel free to check out the Skypop Designs store on Amazon. See you soon. Bye.